RELIGHT kits from Lithonia Lighting provide an exciting alternative to fixture replacement in existing spaces. Now your employees and customers can enjoy all of the benefits of the latest in LED lighting performance and dramatic energy savings without the disruption and labor of a complete fixture replacement. The GTLR LED RELIGHT kit offers the ability to economically upgrade your lens troffer to realize energy savings, lower maintenance costs, and improved performance. Installation of the GTLR LED RELIGHT kit is quick and simple, whether it's being installed in nearly any existing lens troffer or a parabolic fixture. Before you begin with the installation process, when working with electrical components, make sure you turn off the power at the main breaker, that you wear insulated gloves, and that your eyes are properly protected. Begin the installation by removing the existing door frame and set aside for reinstallation. Next, remove lamps and set aside for proper disposal and recycling. Remove channel cover. Separate incoming supply wire at the fluorescent ballast. Remove entire electrical harness and lamp holder assembly. Remove ballast. Strip the incoming supply wires in preparation for installation of the RELIGHT assembly. Locate the end of the host fixture containing the access plate. This is the end plate where the driver bracket should now be installed. Position the GTLR driver bracket against the end plate and rest support tabs on the end plate setback ledge. Using the end plate as a guide, center the driver bracket and secure in place with included Tech screws. Repeat non-electrical bracket installation at the opposite end of the fixture. Attach ground wire. And insert the black and white supply wires securely into the plug-in driver connector. Hang the LED light panel from the hinge receivers on the end brackets by slotting one end and hooking the other over the bracket. The light engine will now hang securely while the wiring connections are made. Slide the LED light panel into position and snap into place by seating one slot under the bracket tabs. Then compress the center V of the panel slightly to snap the second slot under the opposite tabs. Note that the end bracket has now positioned the LED panel at the optimal distance to the ceiling plane, regardless of the depth or type of host fixture housing. This ensures reliable, consistent appearance and performance from fixture to fixture throughout the project. Reinstall existing door frame. Note that the installed assembly can be easily opened like a traditional light fixture for any future inspection, upgrade, or cleaning. The installation can now be energized, resulting in the performance of a brand new, state-of-the-art LED fixture. The GTLR LED Relight Kit is also available in a 1x4 option. Remove door frame and set aside for reinstallation. Remove lamps and channel cover. Separate incoming supply wire at the fluorescent ballast. Remove entire electrical harness and lamp holder assembly. Remove ballast. Strip the incoming supply wires in preparation for installation of the RELIGHT assembly. Position first end bracket against one end plate of host fixture housing. Center new bracket using marks left by fluorescent lamp holder bracket. Attach end bracket to host housing securely by driving the 2 Tech screws through mounting tabs into the end plate and tightening. Install second bracket into opposite end of host fixture using the same process. Install the LED driver in the housing with the black and white input leads nearest the access plate. Use the ballast lances to hold one end of the driver and secure the other end with provided Tech screw. Attach ground wire and insert the black and white supply wires securely into the plug-in driver connector. Complete electrical connection by plugging the driver Quick Connect into the LED light panel connector. Move the LED light panel into position. Align holes in reflector with slots in end brackets, and secure reflector in place using included quarter-turn fasteners. Replace door frame and energize. This completes the installation of the GTLR 1x4 Relight Kit. The GTLR LED Relight Kit is also available in a 3-row version to relight a traditional 3-lamp parabolic. Installation is similar to the 2-lamp lens version. Visit www.lithonia.com for more detailed information.